Welcome guys. Let's do step finance technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description. This is low cap Solana based coin. That is why I am making this video. Current rank of step finance is 407 and price of the step finance is $1.02. Market cap of step finance is just $150 million. 24-hour trading volume of step finance is $20 million. Circulating supply of step finance is 147 million only, and total supply of step finance is only 630 million. And let me please show you some statistics. After that I will show you the website and the charts. Here you can see on Saturday 24 April 2021, price of this token was $6.21, and after that price goes to this level and it is $1.03. All-time high of this token was on April 28, 2021, about 7 months ago, and the price was $10.20. And all-time low of this token was on July 26, 2021, 4 months ago, and the price was just 16 cents. It is available on these exchanges: FTX, Gate.io, Max Global, and some other exchanges. And if you want to get this token on FTX, just go to in this video's description or comment section. This is the FTX exchange link. Click on this link and create your account. After creating your account, you can trade with this coin and you can buy this coin. And this is the FT exchange. Here you can see you can find different kind of pairs and different kind of trading and other benefits you can get from this website, this exchange. And if you want to get Binance $700 bonus, Freemax $1,200 bonus, Bybit $3,500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, and Huobi $170 bonus, just go to in this video's comment section and in this video's description where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account. And after initial deposit, you can get these bonuses, $5,680, which are absolutely free. And you can trade with these bonuses, and these bonuses are tradable. Let's dive into the content, and let me please show you the website. This is the website of this token, Step Finance, and positive tracking for DeFi powered user native to Solana. And this is the website. You can visit this website by your own. And let me please show you the charts. First of all, it is 4-hourly chart in USDT pair, Step USDT pair. And here you can see after making this top $1.28, it is now at $1.01 right now. This yellow line is horizontal resistance. This yellow line is horizontal support line, and this white line is trend line of this token. Maybe price can go right like this. Maybe after touching this, price can move towards upside, and after breaking this, a big rally towards upside will start, I think so. But this area is very, very important. This area is very, very important. It have to hold this area. Once it holds this area, in that case, after that, price definitely will move towards upside. Let me please show you first immediate short-term target for this token. If it touch this and after that, if it pull back, in that case, our first target is $1.07, and after that, according to the support and resistance base, our next target will be this will be our second target, $1.19, and after that $1.29. These are three targets. These are immediate short-term target for this token. Once this token broke this horizontal strong horizontal resistance, $1.29, in that case this token will be bullish, and after that we may see a good rally in this token's price towards upside. And let me please show you the volume. Volume is coming, and that is very, very good sign. And let me please show you EMA ribbon, 4-hourly EMA ribbon. Candles are below from this, candles are still between in this 4-hourly ribbon. If this candle closing after some time, I think only 3 minutes, after below this EMA ribbon, in that case price maybe can go down to touch this line or touch this line $0.87, but I think this is not going to happen. This token I think will be bullish after some time, because this is a good token and because this is bull run. This support area is very, very important. And let me please show you some other indicators. First of all, this indicator here, you can see RSI is at 42, which is bearish. Anything below 50 is called bearish. I think after once it broke 50 point, after that it will be in uptrend. MACD crossover towards downside, towers are red, and this is showing that price can further go down. But after some time, price will move towards upside. I think so. It is very, very compulsory for this token growth. This is the main trend line, and it have to respect this main trend line. Let me please show you daily chart. In daily chart, this is it is in this triangle, and you can say horizontal triangle, and it is at $1.01 right now. This is the downtrend line, this is the upper trend line, this is called support area, this is called resistance area. Maybe price after touching this, maybe price after touching this will move towards upside, and after that price, a big rally will start after this. And once it broke this upper trend line and broke $1.27 to $1.30 price level, in that case this will be extreme bullish. In that case our targets are, let me please show you. In that case our targets are, let me please show you. Once it broke this, in that case it can broke this resistance area, which is $2.04. Let me please show you. This is the main area. Once it broke this $2.04 price area, in that case it will be extreme bullish, and after that there is no resistance here, you can see, and after that it can our target will be this $3.70, and after that here you can see this area $6.80, and after that all-time high. But the main thing is that it have to break this area $1.30 price area. Once it broke this area, $1.30 price area, $1.32 price area, and closed daily candle above this area, in that case $2.04 is our first target, $3.70 is our second target, and our third target will shock you, $6.80. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, EMA ribbon. What is the daily EMA ribbon showing us? Daily candles are above from this EMA ribbon. That is a good sign, and that is very, very good sign. Let me please show you RSI. RSI is still above 50, and it is good sign. It is at 53. Anything above 50 is an uptrend. And let me please show you MACD. MACD crossover was towards upside, but now it is going towards downside. Maybe we may see some price down effect after this crossover towards downside, because towers are changing their color and it is about to happen. But no need to worry. This token can easily hit my targets. I am going to show you, and I am very much certain that this token definitely can hit these targets in this bull run. Let me please show you the targets. First target is $2.04, after that $3.70, after that $6.80, and after that $7.71. And let me please show you the target of this bull run. For this we have to consider it from top to bottom. And here you can see it is still in this bottom line, bottom of Fibonacci retracement levels, and it is still at in between 0 to 0.23. Once it broke $1.90, it will be a good, very good sign. After that, 0.38 will be the next target. Here you can see 0.38 will be the next target, and it is at $3.01. After that, 0.5, and it is at 3.95, and after that 0.61 golden ratio, it is at 4.81, and after that 0.78 Fibonacci level, and once it broke 0.78 Fibonacci level, in that case it will be extreme bullish, and after that it can easily hit $10. But my target for this token is right, let me please show you, in between $7 to $10. I think this token can easily hit this in this bull run. $10 to $7 price area is the target for this bull run. It can easily break its all-time high once it break $1.30, $1.35 price area, and this resistance. After that, $1.90 resistance. After that, definitely there is no such as strong resistance. After that, it can easily hit these targets. This is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, then please like this video, share this video, and please subscribe my channel. And if you want to get these bonuses, these are absolutely free bonuses. Binance $710 bonus, Phemex $1,200 bonus, Bybit $3,500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, and Huobi $170 bonus. And these bonuses are tradable, and you can get $5,680 bonus. This is absolutely free bonus. This bonus is tradable. Just create your account with these links. You can find these links in this video's description or in this video's comment section. Just create account with these links and get these bonuses after deposit, and trade with these bonuses only. You can trade with these bonuses only, and you can avoid your original money or seed money. Just trade with bonus and get profit. This is zero risk trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.